Hey YouTube, it's Amari.
And Ali.
Here from Three Slay Sisters.
I say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation.
And as you see by the title, today we are here. But first, before we get to what we're doing, well, sorry, we are truly sorry we haven't been posting. It's a lot of things been going on for me, and I mean, I don't really know about Jennifer and Naomi, but it's a lot of things been going on with me. So yeah, I'm sorry, and we are sorry. And Jennifer, like she said on that other video, we did have park, so that is another reason why we haven't been active. But we are more active and we are back, and it's about to be summer, and we about to graduate, and it's about to be lit, and we about to get out of school, and so let's get back into the video. So as you see by the title, of course, that's why I clicked on the video. But as you see by the title, we are doing who can untangle headphones the fastest.
I'm gonna win.
I know y'all hate it when y'all headphones are tangled.
But I'm gonna win. So
I don't know. But I'm trying to wait till it gets to an even number, till it gets to 2 minutes, because yeah. Okay, so wait. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot.
I just scrambled.
Yeah, me too. That's what I did.
Okay, I'm getting to a place.
I kinda.
Nowhere.
Okay, 15 seconds has passed. 20. Shoot.
Yes, you guys are almost done.
Okay, I'm better be done. I'm not
I'm
speeding this up, okay? Cause y'all need to see every
single detail,
second.
everything.
Okay, I got it.
No.
Please.
Lord,
Sweet.
help me. Help me.
I got it.
Help me.
Wait. Come on, get untangled. I got it. I won. That was the easiest thing.
No, you didn't.
Life's
Look.
purpose.
You
Duh.
are not done.
But I'm basically am because I got it.
You're
I got the knot out basically. So the chords. Okay, I'm on.
Okay, you guys, you won.
No. But guys, Ali is still taking hers out because she's slow.
We'll just wait till I'm done.
Well,
Okay.
Wow. Never mind.
I'm sorry.
She's just slow. I mean, here's the key. The key is you just do like this. Like, do like this. And you will get to like a point when you start pulling. And
Yeah,
then the
like
string,
stretching
and
them
then
out.
it comes. Then
That's
it comes
what I was
out.
trying to do, but I got myself stuck in a knot when I was doing that. So I don't think I figured it
But that's
Okay.
my key.
out. Okay,
So, yeah,
I'm done.
So finally, Ali is done. And thank you very.
Now-
This was a short video. We might have part 2. We might. You might see us in the same clothes, the same, because we just stopped this video. I edit this video. I upload this video. We do a video. Then I do the same. So it might be a part 2.
Only past 5
So,
minutes.
yeah, this video is short. But thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to the Three Slay Sisters for more videos. Peace. No, I'm not done. Peace, sorry. Peace out.